And then next question is, we get this question a lot, is do you create the patches yourself?
That is a key question. That is one of the most important questions that we get asked. And the answer is, as far as the patches, the actual released patches for the new binaries, the answer to that is yes. Now, let me clarify. As a operating system company, so TuxCare is the enterprise division of Cloud Linux. Cloud Linux is a commercial Linux distribution specific to the hosting industry, but it has been around since 2009, and it is the primary uh, commercial distribution for the hosting industry within the Linux world. And again, it's a derivative of CentOS 7 in Rail in the past, now built off of Alma Linux. We're also the original founders of Alma Linux before we provided it off as a nonprofit within the Alma Linux Foundation and gave it to the community to control. Now, as a operating system first company, we understand the process of working with operating systems. We are also under under NDA and on the list with all of the security newsletters and communications with all of the major Linux distributions, the package project organizations, MITRE, NIST. So we generally know what's going on in the security realm of the operating system before release of information to embargo. Now, when it comes to ELS and EOL or EOL operating systems, again, the opportunity that a CVE is going to come out and specifically target a package and an end of life product is limited. It does happen from time to time, but what we look at is we start tracking all of the packages from the package project organizations. We also start tracking all of the upline distributions to look to see what is being affected within those distributions, because again, every packages are not rebuilt from scratch every new release cycle and new distribution. So there's a lot of times that CVE data can be recognized in end of life packages. So we have the ability to communicate with all of these organizations, track. If we can utilize direct patch code accepted by the package project organization, as outlined by other CVEs, we'll directly use their code. Sometimes we may have to backport it, but if a CVE comes out and the organization is orphaning it, the upline distributions are not working on it, we do have the ability and we have the know-how within the team to go in and build our own patches when necessary. But we prefer to utilize package organization approved, distribution approved patches. But we will take that, we will apply it to the source code. We do package the binaries, we test the binaries, and we release into our repositories with the industry standard OVA files showing the mitigation of those CVEs for compliance scanners to ingest and consume for your compliance after end of life. So everything that you get from us has been vetted down to the source code and the patch code by us.
It's a great explanation.